Hi. So obviously, well, dang, we hit 50 subscribers. That's pretty good. So to decide what I'm going to do, I just have wheels. This decides whether I do 1 or 2, and then this decides what I do. Very simple. Double whammy, we choose 2. Very scared of what this is going to be. That's the metal play button. Oh yeah, we were going to do an artificial play button from the thing. So yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. I forgot. I'm sorry if I seem really not in the mood. This is obviously very important, but it's 2 a.m. So rusty metal play button. Dye my hair. Oh. Did I put dye my hair? I guess I have to dye my hair. Okay. I guess one of you decide. What color should I dye my hair? I'm being 100% honest. Top comment is whatever I will dye my hair. I will bleach my hair. I will change it to whatever color the top comment is. Any color. Any color. Black, red, yellow, blue, pink, purple. I don't care. Any color. Any color. Any